Now, I ain't gonna lie, I can that tell where you from by the way you cough during the sight. Like, Water Bowl, Brooklynites, or Brooklyn people that ass got the, that type of cough. Like, they cough mad aggressive and shit. And Water Bowl, niggas from the X cough like they about to backdoor you. Like swiper, no swiping, nigga. Give me my lighter back, gang. Water Bowl. And niggas from Harlem just cough like, like Water Bowl, y'all niggas be coughing mad funny on